6030 Canyon Gap. We're in the El Dorado area. We do have grass in the front. One of those cool thingamajiggers that you can look out 1, 2, 3 and see a really wide view of the street. 4, 5, 6. 6 windows downstairs. Need blinds, the 2.5-inch velvet blinds that Jenny likes. I actually have a property with this floor plan. Oh, did I get that window? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 windows downstairs. The walls are very white. They look mostly good. Flooring it doesn't appear to me to be the highest quality flooring, but the condition looks fine. Cabinets are looking a little bit rough. Microwave looks good to me. This is pretty beat up. I don't know if you can patch this door frame or just replace it. That's definitely not a big deal, easy to do. We have a change in flooring, so we went from tan to this grayish laminate. Upstairs, so far we have 1, 2 windows. Paint looks a little yellowish up here, and this looks busted as well. 3, 4. The door handles are nice, but they are locking door handles, so Jenny recommends removing those. Cabinets look a little worn there. Get a shower rod. No grout necessary in this tub, so less maintenance. 2, 3, 4. Oh, slightly different than mine. 5 windows. 6, 7, 8. Nine, 10. Maybe replace both of these so they match. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 windows upstairs.